Welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but you know me as the van guy. And I got vans today. We're going to do a lot of videos. We got some great inventory in. About 21,000 miles, 2016 Pleasureway Plateau TS. Twin sofa, that's what the TS is, of course. Mercedes-Benz chassis 110. We got dualies in the back. 5,000 pounds towing capacity, 6-cylinder engine, 5-speed transmission. So the sofa in the back makes down. You come over here to the extend the bed sofa. Got the control panel here in the back so you don't have to go back up front. Folds down, ultra leather, memory foam. You've got twins, you take a couple boards, fill these in, and you got a big queen bed. All the lights are controlled from this panel and the one up front. If you want to take a peek around the corner, I'll show you the entertainment center. You have a little inverter in here so you can run power and don't have to run the generator, be plugged in. TV, DVD player. Cabinets on both sides. Nice big storage in the back. And of course, we've got all these going down the way here. Counter extensions here in the rear. The thing about the TS is it's got a monster refrigerator. Now let's see. Got the freezer up on top. I don't know what's going on with the latch. Big closet. Now if you move into the FL, this closet is almost non-existent. So you've got your tabletop, little pedestal stand, hanging space, convection microwave, kitchen. You have a recessed 2-burner stove, Corian countertops, single lever faucet, and you've got big storage compartments on the inside, a nice shelf, plenty of storage room here in the kitchen. 110 outlet, all positive latches, got a nice bank of drawers. Here's your control panel, disconnect switch, water pump, etc. Generator start. And the generator runs on a setting where you can set it for a certain charge or a certain temperature to turn itself on, if my memory serves me correct. Backup camera and nav system up front. Nice layout. Of course, it's a nice Mercedes-Benz 1-ton chassis. Bluetooth, windows locks, power mirrors. I'll hit the disconnect. We'll take a trip around the outside. Put the floor mat back. Power awning, full length, from a few inches out to 8 feet. It does have supports here for the legs that come down, if you'd like them to. Full-size spare in the back. Now, here's the storage underneath. Yeah, I know it's taken up, but those are lithium batteries. Big addition, even back then, and now it's like a $20,000 option. So this has got all the toys on it. Backup cameras are right up there. Hitch, again, 5,000 pounds towing. Already has the plug if you want to tow something. Generators back in here, underneath there, that's exhaust. And then you have the vent for the battery. Service and vent for your refrigerator. Truma, this is a Truma hot water, and then it's got a propane heater inside. So it's not the combi system, it's just the Truma. Utility shower. Utility center, plug, cable, water, on and off for your propane. And then right down here, you can get your dump station and your sewer carriers right there. Real easy to access. Pretty exciting van. If you have any questions, my email's on the screen. But what's better, just to call direct, 541-554, you got it, 9581. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks for your time.